Alright, so I'll be using a iced blue, a fuchsia, and a cream off-white color. I believe they're all Red Heart Super Soft. I'll also be using 12mm plastic safety eyes. I'll put the link in the description. I'm using a size G or a 4.25mm crochet hook, a yarn needle. Alright, so I'm going to start with the head and body. I'll be using the main color, which is the iced blue. I'll start by doing a magic circle and chain 1. Alright, now do 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Now you're going to do 2 single crochet in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Now you're going to do a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, now do 2 single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 24 in the round. Alright, now you're going to do 4 rows with 24 single crochet in each row. Alright, I finished my 4 rows. Now I'm going to be doing 2 single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, now I'm doing a single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Do a slip stitch, chain 1. Alright, now I'm going to be working through the posts so that I can start working on the body. I'm going to do a single crochet all the way around for a total of 12. Again, working through the posts. I'm really bad at explaining things, but hopefully you can kind of see what I'm doing. Alright, so I just took the time to add the safety eyes. I put them 6 rows down and 5 spaces apart. There are 4 spaces showing. Alright, I'll be doing a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, now you're going to do a single crochet in each stitch all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, so for this row, I'm going to single crochet all the way around, except I'm going to have 3 increases, but I'm going to have them in the front so that it gives it a bit of a belly. And then just single crochet the rest of the row. You'll have 21 single crochet in the row, just like the last row. Again, you'll be single crocheting until you hit the front. Then you're just going to center 3 single crochet increases. I'm separating them with a single crochet, but you don't have to. finish the row by single crocheting. You should have 24 single crochet in the round. Now I'm just going to do 4 more rows with 24 single crochet in each row. Alright, now I'm doing 2 single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, do a single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, so I stuffed it. Now I'm going to be doing a decrease all the way around for a total of 6 in the round. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, the shape looks a little weird right now, but it'll be fine. Alright, for the arms, I'm starting with 7 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, now I'm just going to do 5 rows with 7 single crochet in each row. Slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the legs, I'm doing 8 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, now I'm doing 3 rows with 8 single crochet in each row. Slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. For the tail, I'm doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Now I'm doing a single crochet around for a total of 6 in the round. Do a single crochet and an increase around for a total of 9 in the round. Do 2 rows with 9 single crochet in each row. Alright, now I'm doing 4 single crochet and 5 half double crochet for a total of 9 in the round. Do 2 single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Single crochet all the way around for a total of 12. Alright, so where you had the increases, that's going to be the bottom of the tail. For this next round, you're going to want to single crochet up the side so that you can start working on the top. For me, that's probably 2 single crochet. Now I'll be doing a half double crochet in the next, a double crochet in the next, a double crochet, and in the next a half double crochet, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. For the snout or nose, I'm going to be doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Do a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 9 in the round. Alright, do 2 more rows with 9 single crochet in each row. Slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. For the ears, I'm doing 5 single crochet in the magic circle. Do a single crochet and an increase around for a total of 7 in the round. single crochet around for a total of 7. Do an increase in each stitch all the way around for a total of 14 in the round. Decrease all the way around for a total of 7 in the round. Slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, with the off-white or cream color, I'm going to be making the horns. I'll be doing 4 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, I'm doing a single crochet and an increase around for a total of 6 in the round. Alright, single crochet around for a total of 6. Slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the stomach patch, again using the cream color, I'm doing a chain 4. Alright, and I'm going to be doing 3 single crochet across. After each row, I'll be doing a chain 1 turn. Do 2 rows with 3 single crochet. Do an increase, single crochet, and an increase. Two more rows with 5 single crochet, an increase, three single crochet, and an increase, for a total of 7. Do a decrease, three single crochet, and a decrease for a total of 5. Do a decrease, single crochet, and a decrease for a total of 3. Chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the wings, I'll be using this fuchsia color. I'll be doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, I'm not going to be closing the circle. I'll be doing a chain 1 and turn, and I'll be working out like this. Alright, so chain 1 turn, I'll be doing a single crochet and an increase for a total of 9 in the round. Chain 1 turn, I'll be doing 2 single crochet and an increase across for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, now at this point I'm going to be doing the ends of the wings. For the second one, I'll be doing this part in the exact opposite way so that they're facing the right way. Chain 3, second from the hook, do a slip stitch, a half double crochet, and a slip stitch, chain 3, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch in the center, now slip stitch to the end, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the second one, I would start off with doing the slip stitch to the center, and then the chain 3. Right, for the bumps on the head, There are two different sizes. For the large head bump, I'll be doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle, 2 single crochet and an increase for a total of 6 in the round, 2 single crochet and an increase for a total of 8 in the round, single crochet around for a total of 8, slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. I just realized you can't see this yarn at all. Right, for the small head bumps, make 2 of these. I'm doing 4 single crochet in the magic circle, single crochet and an increase around for a total of 6, single crochet around for a total of 6, slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn, Alright, so I'm going to attach a long piece of the fuchsia yarn onto the dragon, and I'm going to stitch the lines across on the stomach and then all the way around. I'm also going to put 2 small lines on the nostril. I'm not going to film that because it's going to take me a hot minute. Alright, so I've attached the fuchsia yarn to the tail, doing a chain 3, slip stitch in the same stitch, do that 2 more times, all in the same stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn, alright, and there you go.